If you're looking for a website to download sound effects for TikTok videos like these,
why are you gay?
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
you're in the right place. Go to myinstance.com. It will give you a collection of popular sound effects to choose from.
Kasongo, yeah. Mombali nanga.
If you want to customize your search, type the name of the sound effect and click on this red icon to listen to it.
A few moments later.
If you want to download it, click on its name and then download MP3 and it will be saved on your phone. You can use it on your videos like these.
A few moments later.